everyone, welcome back to my channel Surendra Mahtek. Today I will share about how to use Copilot. For this, open your web browser and click copilot.microsoft.com. Then you can see these types of interface. If you are not signed in, you click on sign in the right corner. If you have already Microsoft account, you don't have to create. First of all, create Microsoft account after signing in the right corner. Type your email address for Skype to create a new account, Microsoft account. Then click on next button and password and sign in. After signing your Microsoft account, you can see in the right corner in profile your name, your picture, and then you can see here these types of interface. Stay top of AI understand trend interview warning. You can ask anything that you want to know. For example, Microsoft Copilot. For example, what are the parts of research proposal and submit. Copilot searching information about the question. Title page, abstract, instruction, literature review. Research objective, research design and method. You ask the question, whatever you want to know. Another question, write the poem about solar system. You can see here the poem about solar system. Similarly, we can create the image. Create the image of tiger. Image is creating of tiger. This is an image of tiger. This is very interesting. You can choose the image of tiger and you can download or copy to use this image. You can also create a song. Create a song about YouTube channel Surendra Mahtek with lyrics including like, comment and share and submit. This is the song about YouTube channel Surendra Mahtek. Welcome to Surendra Mahtek, where learning math is just a click. From algebra to calculus, we make it easy. Come join us. Like, comment and subscribe. Join math journey field 5. This is the song about my YouTube channel. Created by Copilots, Microsoft.com. You can click the create option. You have the more option, create document, presentation, workbooks, form, quizzes, note. There are so many options. For example, PPT, presentation, slides. You can prepare the PPT. Available different design in right side. For example, I want to know the PPT about any topic. First of all, search the information from ChatGPT. Copy the information from ChatGPT. Make a PPT about this topic. It makes so many slides about circle. Slide 1, slide 2, slide 3, slide 4. Like this, slide 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, etc. And we can copy the first slide. We can also ask the question about PDF. Click on PDF, open with Microsoft Edge. And see here, ask Copilot. You can ask the question. New chat in right corner. Thanks for